My mother's name was Helga Cecilia Jóhannsdóttir. She was born the 29th of December 1919. My mom was a wonderful person that I respect a lot and try to have as a role model in most things in my life. My mother taught me a lot in life. For example, to be positive, to try to look always at the bright side of life, to believe in the good in everybody, to be grateful for the things I've got, to enjoy life and what it has to offer, to respect other people, to pay attention to all the beautiful things that the nature has to offer, for example, beautiful minerals, flowers and more, to enjoy music and sing for my pleasure. Mom was a warm and a cheerful person. She was patient and stoic and never complained even though she was having a hard time in life. She was the oldest in a big family, had 12 siblings and was very young when she had to participate in the upbringing of her siblings and do the chores at home. I imagine that she did not get much time to play like children should get. My mom and dad, Ólafur Ágústsson, had 7 children. I am the youngest in the family and mom was out working part of the day in my earliest memories. She worked in a fish factory and cleanings. Although mom was busy, she made clothes for us and sometimes her grandchildren too. Our house was always clean. Mom did the chores when everybody else was fast asleep. I often fell asleep listening to her sewing or knitting machine. Over the summertime, there were usually some of her grandchildren at our house. There was always room for everybody, although the house was small. I was born in Gamlajörvi, our house in Borgarfjörður Eystri, which is a small fishing village on East Iceland. Gamlajörvi is the oldest house in the village, and all my childhood there wasn't any hot water in the taps, only a kettle with boiling water on the stove. On this stove mom cooked all food and baked some delicious cakes. My dad was a fisherman and usually brought fish for dinner when he arrived. Mom welcomed him with open arms when he came home tired and gave him some coffee. She made sure that we were quiet while Dad took a nap or was listening to the news or weather report. Their communication was filled with love and mutual respect. Mom never had a driver's license. Contentment was in her blood. Mom loved singing and was usually humming while doing the housework. She listened a lot to music and was singing in the church choir in Borgarfjörður. She had a beautiful soprano voice. Mom was positive and optimistic and always saw the good things in all people. She always tried to help the poor and vulnerable, sent us kids sometimes with food for those who had a hard time, and it was also always enough space at the small kitchen table at mealtime. My mom got cancer and passed away long before she should have. She was only 62-year-old. I was, and I am still very sad that my husband and our sons would not get to know the wonderful person my mother was. Every day I regret that I cannot call my mom or give her a hug. She had the softest and warmest embrace in the world. But my mother would have told me to be grateful for the time we had together, and I keep that in mind and accept things as they are.